Hey guys, welcome to Tech PP, and this is our first look and first impressions of the newly launched Redmi Note 7 and the Note 7 Pro. So this is the Note 7 and dual cameras on the back. This is a 12 megapixel primary shooter, no 48 on the Note 7. The fingerprint scanner, they are mounted, and the dot notch, as Xiaomi is calling it, it's basically the dewdrop notch that we all know. And this has the Snapdragon 660 chipset, and it's running on MIUI 10 based on Android 9 Pie. And the few changes are there's a Type-C port now, unlike the previous Redmi Note devices. And there is a glass back with all these beautiful colors that look really premium. And the rest are pretty much your standard Redmi Note specs. There's a 4000 mAh battery and the support for Quick Charge 4, but unfortunately you don't get the adapter in the box. And yeah, that's pretty much it about the Note 7. Once we get our hands on our unit, we should be able to come out with a comprehensive review on it. But for now, considering the price of rupees 9,999 for the base 3 plus 32 GB variant, this seems like a really compelling offering from Xiaomi. So this here is the Redmi Note 7 Pro, and it's in the black color variant. And this one has the true 48 megapixel Sony IMX586 camera sensor, the rear mounted fingerprint scanner, the glass back of course, which is Gorilla Glass 5 now. And on the front we have the dot notch, as Xiaomi is calling it. And of course the usual Type-C port at the bottom. The headphone jack still stays, and there's the IR blaster, Xiaomi staple by now. And then there's your usual 4000 mAh battery. But one thing that stands out about this device is the Snapdragon 675 chipset on the hood, which is a really powerful SoC. And we'll have to wait to test how well this chipset performs in daily usage. But other than that, it seems like a really solid package, and starting at rupees 13,999 in India, I don't think there's any phone that can match up to the value that this phone provides right now at this moment. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for our full review of the Note 7 and the Note 7 Pro coming up soon on techbp.com.